Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the concept and characteristics of education. Ancient educational system focused on holistic development of the individual, moral, spiritual, and intellectual aspects of life. Traditional educational system basically included the knowledge about customs, traditions, and religion. Traditional education system is defined as teacher-centered delivery of instruction and the students are receivers of information. Modern concept of education is child-centered. Development of all faculties, intellectual, physical, social, moral, and cultural development. Now let us see narrow meaning of education. The education which is confined with school, university, it is conventional and traditional type of schooling. The broader concept of education. Education is not limited within the four walls of the classroom, but it is lifelong process. Now let us discuss some definitions of Western as well as Indian philosophers. According to Aristotle, education is creation of sound mind in sound body. According to John Dewey, education is the process of continuous reconstruction of various experiences. Pestalozzi said, education is natural, harmonious development of man's innate powers. Now let us see various definitions of Indian philosophers. The great philosopher Rabindranath Tagore said, education is self-realization. It means realization of universal soul in one's self. Mahatma Gandhi ji emphasized on child-centered education. He also recommended all-round development of all faculties except intellectual development. Now let us discuss characteristics of education one by one. Education is bipolar process. Teacher and student both are important poles of education system. It cannot be completed in the absence of any one. Education is tripolar process. Teacher, student and environment. These three factors are important in the process of education. Education is provided according to need of society. Education is multipolar process. Teacher, student, society and other factors are equally important to complete the process of education. Education is adjustment. Education enables the person to adjust in each and every situation. It teaches how to cope up with changing situation and adjust oneself. Education is continuous process. It is a process of living through a continuous reconstruction of experiences. Education is theory as well as practice. It includes theory and practice. For example, to acquire some skills, practical knowledge is essential. Driving, swimming or cooking, etc. Education is a lifelong process. Education never ends. It starts from the birth of the individual and continues till death. Individual learns so many things from day-to-day life and each and every experience. Education is important means of transmission of cultural heritage. The traditions, moral values, customs, these are transmitted towards next generation through education. Education is psychological process because various psychological laws and principles are applied in the education, and the need and structure of society considered while framing the educational system. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel Samvad Setu.